Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to set up YouTube parental controls using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So go to your YouTube account. Make sure you log in your YouTube account. Then right here, click Profile. Then click Settings. So tap General. Scroll down. Then you will see here Restricted Mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So just tap this and the restricted mode is turned on. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!